Open your Canva account and click on Custom Design. Now add 1080 width and 1080 height and click on Create. Now go to Text and add text. Write your text and use the font type that you want and adjust its size. Select your text and lock it. Now go to Elements and search for elements related to your text. Select your element and go to Color and change its color. Now adjust your element on your text. Let's select some more elements and adjust them to our text. Keep in mind that you must need to change your element color to white to make this typography art. I'm forwarding the video from here, to save your time. Well, our text art is complete. Select all and group them. Now go to Download and download your design. Add a new page and go to Photos and select a photo related to your text. Now upload your art design on it. Go to Edit Image, and remove the background of your text. Wow, your art text is ready now. Adjust it according to your design. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing content.